for the battle on the spot. Right now, I want all clowns in the vehicles. Please exit the vehicles. It's time to get it in then. It's an all-new show. Battle on the spot. Pull up and
have a protein shake. She gon' make it shake. I know you're doing good, cause maybe I'm great.
And just get it in. Let's go. All clowns out. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All clowns. Battle on the spot. They don't even know what's going on, but it's showtime, baby. I need all my clowns. Let's go. All clowns.
You got your
It's
phone?
battle on the spot, baby. Y'all must have forgot. Let's go. Let's get it in then. Woo-hoo! All right, let me put y'all on game. Check it out. I need all my clowns. Let's go. Big circle. Battle on the spot. Yeah, see, one thing about T-Squad, the movement, you never know what's going to happen. I need a big circle. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Big circle, big circle. Big circle, big circle. Showtime, baby. Big circle, big circle. Big circle.
Lily, move back more. Make a circle. Come on. Move back.
Mic check, big circle. There you go. This battle on the spot. What happened when your name get called? It's time to get it in right here in the community. You never know who's gonna battle who. It's showtime, baby. Being one of, oh my goodness. So right now, give me bounce. Let's go bounce. Give me bounce right here. Give me, oh my goodness. Give me Cinco. Let's go, Cinco. Clowns, get on east side. Let's go. Pick your side. Pick your side. Who you gonna ride with? Pick your side. Yeah, let the community pick your side. Let's go. Get it in. Pump them up. Let's go. Back. TJ east side. Let's go. Battle on the spot, baby. You be the judge. We got our community out here to be the judge. Let's go. Let's get it in,
Oh, look at the side.
Y'all ready for this battle? Somebody say, oh yeah. Oh yeah, let's get it in. On the spot, baby, on the spot. On the spot, let's do it.
What's up, Blue?
All right, absolutely no touching. This way you go head to head, round for round, and you be the judge. It's about to go down. We got your boy Cinco. Everybody say, what's up, Cinco? Versus your boy Bounce. Everybody say, what's up, Bounce? All right. Is there anything you want to say to Bounce before you get started? Silence. Bounce, he didn't say nothing. Is there anything you want to say to Cinco before you get started? Ooh, let's put on the show. Let's go. Turn that track up. Let's do it. Showtime, baby. Head to head. Bounce around. Let's go, Bounce. On the spot battle, let's go, baby. You never know who's getting it in there. Let's go, my rider. Oh yeah, mic check, 2, 3, let's go. Ha. Let's go, Miles. Let's go, Cinco. Right, one time, it's a production. Battle on the spot like what? Somebody got to die, 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 somebody got to die.
Somebody got to die. Somebody got to die. Somebody got to die. Somebody got to die. Somebody got to die. Somebody got to die. Somebody got to die. Somebody got to die. Somebody got to die. Somebody got to die. Somebody got to die. Somebody got to die. Somebody got to die. Somebody got to die. Somebody got to die. Somebody got to die. Somebody got to die. Somebody got to die. Somebody got to die. Somebody got to die. Somebody got to die. Somebody got to die. Somebody got to die.
I'm right here, dog.
Oh, you say what?
I'm right here, dog.
Let's go.
Yeah.
One time. Oh.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm right here, dog. 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 Yeah. I'm right here, dog.
This is a swamper. This is a swamper. This is a swamper.
Rock it up, what's up?
This is a swamper. This is a swamper. This is a swamper. This is a swamper.
Whoa, run up, what?
This is a swamper.
Cinco.
This is a swamper.
Baby, could you do the stupid? Shake it to the left, to the right, and do your shit. Baby, could you do the stupid? Baby, shake it right, get it left. If you can't shake it left to get right, baby, shake it right, get it left. If you can't shake it left to get right, baby, shake it right, get it left. If you can't shake it left to get right.
Yo, show your love for both boys one time, you guys. Community, while you out here, you watch, you saw what happened right in front of your eyes. Do me a favor, who do you feel walked away victorious today? Make some noise. Cinco, I need you to stay here. I need you to stay here, boss, stay there. Make some noise for my boy Cinco. Make some noise for my boy Bob. All right, okay. Okay, it's a hard one. It's a hard one. Some of y'all getting bougie, some of y'all being nice. It's all good. This is the hot new episode, Battle on the Spot. We will go all over the world. Well, LA, California, somewhere in the vicinity, pulling up, dropping out, popping out, and battling on the spot. The next battle I got is a hot battle between two. Oh my goodness.
Have a protein shake. She gon' make it shake. I know you're doing good, cause maybe I'm great.